just in time to join us on our Wild Africa trek. We start from the village of Harambe, and the first thing to do is to make sure that we are all suitably attired and equipped. Our trek will take us through the forest and out onto the savannah. As we set off, our attention has been drawn to the sight of weaver finches. The males build a number of nests in the hope that a female will be sufficiently impressed to set up house in one of them and mate. We think this unidentified bird is some kind of finch. And here we have a male violet-backed starling, sometimes called the amethyst starling. Moving down the trail, we've reached a watering hole, and a couple of hippos are cooling off from the heat of the day. They can stay underwater for up to 5 minutes. The sound of our voices has led them to inquire about the possibilities of food. A rough road is taking us deeper into the jungle. Our next obstacle is a crude rope bridge across a ravine, and our progress is observed by black vultures above and alligators below. Resting with their mouths open helps them to cool down. Continuing on, it's back onto the truck as we head out of the jungle and into the savannah. These elusive Okapi, looking like zebra, are the last surviving relatives of giraffe. They forage through the forest searching for food. Highly alert, they will run away when they hear a human approaching. Our safari has been halted by a young giraffe. There are 9 subspecies of giraffe which can be differentiated by their markings, called reticulations. A cheetah is watching from a distance, wondering whether lunch is about to be served. The ox-like creature next to the giraffe is an Ancolae retusi. Its large, distinctive horns, that can reach up to 8 feet from tip to tip, are used for defence. The common eland, also known as the southern eland or Patterson's eland, is a savanna and plains antelope found in East and Southern Africa. Common elands prefer habitats with a wide variety of flowering plants such as savanna, woodlands and open grasslands. Sharing a liking for the same habitat is the beautiful little Thompson gazelle. Rounding off this section, we have the sable antelope. The scythe-like ringed horns grow to a length of 150 centimetres on males. Females are smaller than males and have a chestnut to dark brown darkening coat as they mature, whilst adult males are very distinctly black. We are on the move again and have a chance encounter with two white rhino. The word white is a mistranslation of the Dutch word light, meaning wide. A short distance away, a lioness dozes away the afternoon. Continuing our safari, our next encounter is with elephants. There is a small family group here with several females and a couple of youngsters 2 or 3 years old. The African elephant is the largest living terrestrial animal and can live up to 60 years. They can be found in eastern, southern and west Africa, either in dense forests, Mopani or Miambo woodlands, Sahelian scrub or deserts. Although a protected species, elephants still suffer at the hands of poachers dealing in an illegal ivory trade. We're now heading back to base and re-entering the jungle. This area is home to a number of gorillas. Gorillas' natural habitats cover tropical or subtropical forests in Africa. Although their range covers a small percentage of Africa, gorillas cover a wide range of elevations. The mountain gorilla inhabits the Albertine Rift montane cloud forests of the Virunga volcanoes, ranging in altitude from 7,000 to 14,000 feet. Lowland gorillas live in dense forests and lowland swamps and marshes as low as sea level, with western lowland gorillas living in central West African countries and eastern lowland gorillas living in the Democratic Republic of the Congo near its border with Rwanda. Mountain gorillas mostly eat foliage such as leaves, stems, pith and shoots, while fruit makes up a very small part of their diets. They primarily eat bamboo. Mountain gorilla food is widely distributed and both individuals and groups do not have to compete with each other. Their home ranges average 1.5 to 6 square miles and their movements range around 1/3 of a mile or less on an average day. Eastern lowland gorillas have more diverse diets which vary seasonally. Leaves and pith are commonly eaten, but fruits can make up as much as 25% of their diet. Since fruit is less available, lowland gorillas must travel further each day, and their home ranges vary from 1 to 2.5 square miles, with day ranges between 1 and 1.5 miles. Gorillas rarely drink water because they consume succulent vegetation that is comprised of almost half water as well as morning dew, so this is quite a rare sight. And so, back in civilization, we've reached the end of our expedition, the end of our wild Africa trek.